What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Nup Effects, and today is going to be a really special episode. If you can see from the title card, it is my first time forging ever, so let's just jump right in. I've still got a lot of work to do on this railroad spike knife here. It's starting to rain, so I'm trying to wrap this up. But basically, I need to pull this area, pull material down further so I have something to file and make like a hard stop. I want to correct this little upward sweep, bring the tip down somewhat, and then straighten it out a little bit. I need to bring it further that way. Thank you for sticking around. There are links down in the description below that help support the channel and help me keep creating. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that bell so you make sure you get notified whenever I post another video. And Quince doesn't want to get stuck out in the rain, so we're gonna head back inside. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one.